Hello, my name is Maury Smith. I will be conducting the midterm for data mining. For this midterm, we were to create a hybrid algorithm which combines hierarchical clusters and k-means clusters. What is clustering? Clustering is the process of grouping a set of objects into classes of similar objects displayed from data. Hierarchical clustering clusters sets or groups into multi-level trees or dendrograms. This is used to set the data by placing each object in a ranking or order. From the picture below, I use like a job hierarchy. For example, the person at the top in the purple is the boss, owner, or you can say CEO. Um, Next two people below are on an equal level, maybe a CFO, two CFOs, and each level under is that prospective manager and the employees under them. K-means clustering. This is used to obtain centroids from each cluster. This also measures the distance between the centroids and data objects. From the example below, you can see many different data objects, but there's only three clusters. The clusters are the blue cluster, the red cluster, and the green cluster. Those are the actual clusters or sets of data objects that are similar to which they are grouped into the three clusters. All right, I'm gonna go to the MATLAB code. Okay, now this is just the code used to pretty much perform the assignment. Had to create a algorithm that uses both the hierarchical cluster and the k-mean cluster. So this section right here is pretty much the hierarchical clustering, to which the function will first get the hierarchical cluster. It will find the clusters. Then this section right here is for the k-means clusters, in which it will store all the information. And this is the entire code right here. Last part of the code is to pull the vmeasure code, which will pretty much give you the result. This is the vmeasure code. Now this is the outcome displayed. As you can see, this is a hierarchical tree cluster. There's also the k-means clusters could be potentially represented through the different colors. You know, you have green, you have blue, and you have red, and those are their own similar sets, as well as, once again, the hierarchical tree cluster. That's the end of my midterm presentation. Once again, my name is Maury Smith. Thank you.